Okay, pag-uusapan natin ang Mitsubishi Triton. And this is a year 2024 at yon ginawan ko ng full test drive tapos nakisakay ako kay Hiroshi Mitsuoka in which he is a two-time Dakar Rally Championship. Pinakita niya yung full potential ng Triton athlete. Ngayon, kung meron kang 2015 na Mitsubishi Strada, I highly suggest na i-trade-in mo yung 2015 Strada mo na yan towards sa isang 2024 Mitsubishi Triton. For myself and my humble opinion, hindi ko lang humble ito yung mukha kasi ng 2015 Strada ay nagmumuka yung dragon dun sa How to Train Your Dragon. Alam mo naman natin yung mga pickups dito sa Pilipinas. O kahit sa buong mundo nga known talaga ang pickup trucks to be as masculine as looking as possible. Yeah, the Triton is a candidate na pasok to sa segment for that design concept for a pickup truck segment dito sa Pilipinas. So, napaka-genius nga naman ng Mitsubishi dito. Wala silang na-release na GLS na 4-wheel drive variant. Well, mainly because kapag nilagyan nila yon ng 4-wheel drive system ang GLS variant, yun na lang ang bibilin natin, wag na tayo mag-athlete. Aking opinion about this one, kung sinong pinaka-durable among these variants, ang hula ko dito is yung GLX at yung GL 4-wheel drive manual transmission variants. So, without a doubt, sila yon. But, nevertheless, syempre, si athlete, loaded of features noon pa rin. Syempre, hindi natin masabi kung fully reliable talaga yung mga features na in-afford at saka in-implement doon sa sasakyan doon. Next one would be the color availability. Yung color availability natin, as of now, dito sa Pilipinas, ang athlete ay meron nung Yamabuki Orange. However, meron ako nakita dun sa Facebook page. Pinost nito sa comment box and then ito pa yung yung mga available colors ng Strada Athlete. And then, syempre, add na lang tayo ng 15,000 pesos kapag white diamond ang pipiliin nating na kulay. When it comes to the Athlete, yung engine variations natin doon, 2-stage na yung turbo natin doon. 204 PS, yung maximum PS natin dito, comparing around sa iba't ibang variants natin na available in which it only produces 183 PS. Speaking of the variants, ito nga pala yung mga available variants ng Mitsubishi Triton. Dalawang GL, okay, isang 2-wheel drive, isang 4-wheel drive. Tapos ang mga price ranges nyon is around 1.1 million. Transfer case lang naman pinagbago doon. Then, yung GLX variant, both of which are 2-wheel drive, manual transmission at automatic transmission lang yan. Then, ang nasa price range yun is around 1.3 million. GLX has a 4-wheel drive manual transmission and the GLS is only exclusive sa 2-wheel drive automatic transmission. Ang mga price ranges though is around 1.5 million. Isa 1.561, isa 1.582. At syempre yung top of the line range model is yung Athlete 4-wheel drive. Obviously it is automatic transmission only. Price range is around 1.9 million pesos. Hopefully, this is actually 4 minutes na sa video na to. So, i-inject ko na yung test drive scene namin na ginawa ko dito sa Mitsubishi Peak Motors sa Commonwealth Avenue, Quezon City. Nagpa-assist ako kay Jai Casilang in which siya yung aking ahente dito sa Mitsubishi Commonwealth Branch. Siya rin yung nakita nyo sa Mitsubishi Expander video. In-assist niya ako doon. And yun, huge shoutout sa'yo. So, kapag meron kayong mga gusto nyo mag-inquire na sasakyan, contact nyo si Jai. Ayan yung phone numbers niya. Ilalagay ko rin siya sa description box below. So, test drive time. Let's go. Ngayon, nung ida-drive ko na yung Triton, ang una ko napansin dun sa dashboard is a match of feel just like the exterior. Yung silver trims dun sa mga air vents, yeah, good touch. Masculine feeling. But I have to say, dun sa infotainment system dun sa gitna, kung ikaw ay sanay dun sa may flush on or built-in dun sa dashboard na nakahiga yung screen, this might take a while na maging distraction to for 2 weeks or 3 weeks. And then, nevertheless, masasanay ka na lang dyan But, yeah, we have physical buttons as I could see at may physical rotary knobs to operate yung mga, yung infotainment system natin. But I think, yan ay touchscreen. Next is the steering wheel. The design of steering wheel, it looks amazing. I think they come up with the concept ng ng steering wheel dun sa Lancer. So, yeah, good touch of this one. Hindi na ito yung hiniram na galing sa Mirage or yung 4-spoke steering wheel na galing sa Mitsubishi Montero. Yan. I like the steering wheel. The design and the silver trims din sa within the steering wheel. Good touch. Yung hydraulic power steering, makakamali ako dyan sinabi ko kasi EPS dyan. But the hydraulic power steering on the Triton, it's onto the heavy side. So, I have to say, mahihirapan akong i-one-hand ito. Maganda to.
Maganda design.
Medyo delayed lang yung
sport.
Kasi ang nito, pagka manual, nasa sayo yung control. Wala siyang sport na automatic siya. Wala rin naman tong paddle shifters. Okay lang naman yun. Pero may control ka. Pasok ka sa segunda. Yan. May control ka dito. Kasi typically kapag pinasok mo sa sport, Toyota, Hilux, for example, automatic muna yun. Tapos, pagka pinakailaman mo na to, yan. Bahala ka na sa buhay mo. Yan, lagyan mo sa drive, yan. Automatic na siya.
Dito sa scene na to, pinakailaman ko yung infotainment system. So, nataranta na ako. Kaya, pinipihit ko na lang yung mga knobs para i-minimize na lang yung volume. Kaya, here's my friend na pinindot niya na lang to shut the radio off completely. Thank you very much.
So, bago kasi. Anyway, bago ka talaga.
Tapos, leather padded to, no? Leather padded lahat yun.
Lahat ito. Soft touch.
Saka hindi siya, parang alarming yung tawag dito. Hindi siya intimidating. Yung dashboard, for instance. Hindi siya, parang nagda-drive lang ako ng expander. Yun yung, comment ko. Ayos siya. Dito na ako mag-U-turn, no? Galing. Blind spot, Maandar,
May audio. Nasanay ako sa sensor.
Hindi ako sanay doon sa tunog talaga ng third signal. Parang may pumipitik.
Guys, pagpasensya nyo na lang na medyo na-OOC ako doon sa turn signal. Wala first time ako nakarinig na ganung turn signal style So, ayan.
Ka naman ng within 2 weeks in time. Ayos yung feedback. Hindi siya too aggressive. Tapos dual zone. Dual zone yan. Tapos ang cambio pa upshift. Ayos yung mid-jerk
Baliktad na?
Lahat naman ganun Baliktad naman kapag ka-jack ka.
Yung Everest na
papunta sa... Ay nga pala. Punta pa sa'yo. Oo nga pala, Everest.
Yung sinasabi namin baliktad, nasign na kasi akong yung upshift ay papunta sa driver, hindi palayo sa driver. Kasi kapag hahataw ka, hinihila ka yun lang naman, opinion ko lang naman.
Papunta sa
yung cambio ng paabante. So naman, komportable naman sa kamay. Design ng steering wheel. Nakakamiss yung Hiroshi Masuoka 2-time Dakar Rally Championship. Parang gusto ko siyang balikan. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, we'll see that.
Okay.
Yep, we are ready to rock and roll.
No problem. No problem. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Go. Go.
Let's go.
Jump. How do you feel? We are doing fine.
What a precision driving! Yeah, really fast! Mitsubishi Triton all its glory! Bounce top 204 horsepower. Super Select 4-wheel drive on its way. Wow, what an engineering for Mitsubishi itself.
Okay.
That was amazing. What a procedure. It was really extreme.
Okay, we go off-road. So push button, gear the front.
Yep.
Go up. Okay.
Oh, parang incline.
Bank. This is for the limit.
Okay.
For the road.
It's like I'm lying down.
We go.
Wow. Oh.
This is for the limit.
Okay. So,
45 degree. Now. 50. No. Cut.
Okay.
Go.
Once again.
Hey.
Alright. And there goes the 4 high. And we're all good. That was amazing. Huh? Superb driving, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
So guys, full stock model. No modified, yeah?
Yep, it's all stock.
Very strong. For the 3 days for the same driving, no problem.
Yep. You can see you can use all the tires and everything.
Yeah, only tires.
Yep. Wow. That was a beauty.
Enjoy.
Yeah. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
At yun na nga, nakita mo naman na nagkamaya na po kami. So, balik na po tayo sa regular programming ng maayos na test drive.
Ano sa susunod yung interview na?
Baka hindi kami magkaintindihan pa.
Hindi siya yung masaya. Komportable.
Tsaka hindi matagtag na.
Hindi matagtag.
Alam mo yun talaga yung party ko sa Mitsubishi.
Number 1 eh.
Oo.
Sa mga pickup na ganito, kailangan hindi matagtag kapag walang laman sa likod.
Top 2 sa akin. This is top 2 for me. Parado ko pa atras. Kaya ko naman eh.
Kaya naman ang kotse natin, no? Ang tibay.
Ay, adventure. Ang ganda ng tibay na.
Kawalin niya.
Ay, dito natin makikita. Ay, wait. Dito natin makikita yung
camera.
Oo. Dati ko marunong pa ako mag-park.
Saan pinasok mo muna ito? Anyway. Hey! That's nice.
Okay.
That's nice.
Uy, medyo mabigat yung ano. Medyo mabigat yung
That's nice.
diba? Sinong gagang tumitingit sa likod tapos may camera nakasaharap.
Ikaw yun. Traditional.
Traditional na ako.
Parang tatay ka din.
Okay. Ay, pwede na kayo bumaba before kung i-ano.
Mainit ba yung cellphone ko? Ay, hindi! Okay. Maganda yung wireless charger nila.
Okay, pwede na kayo bumaba para ano, hindi masikip.
Okay, I have to say na napakadaling i-park yung Triton and napakalino yung mga ginamit na cameras dito for the 360-degree view camera. No complaints at all.
Okay, so yun, magiging review ng Mitsubishi Triton.
So, sasabihin ko na yung the good, the concerns, and the verdict ng Mitsubishi Triton. The good, yes, this is a very, very much improvement dun sa, syempre, the past unit natin, yung Strada. And then, the concerns, syempre, nasan yung paddle shifters? Pangalawa, why do we have the largest fuel door in history in mankind na ginamit sa mid-size pickup truck? Number 3, wala siyang tailgate assist. Nagiging standard na siya for some reason, majority of the pickups that we have here in the Philippines, despite sa mga sinabi ko, at syempre, opinion ko lang naman yon, the verdict, parang babalik lang tayo dun sa the good part na sinabi ko, in which, if you want a workhorse, syempre na pickup truck, very known naman na Mitsubishi for a cheaper amount of maintenance, then you go for the Triton. Yung pinaka top of the line nito is only 1.909 ha. Hindi pa pumutak ng 2 million eh. But who knows, we might wait for something radical from Mitsubishi na maaring pumatak na ng 2 million yung price point. So, yan yung aking verdict for this review ng Mitsubishi Triton. Nevertheless, I hope na may naroon kayo natutunan at sana na-enjoy nyo rin yung aking entertainment purposes for this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe guys, and I'm certainly back. Thank you very much guys. I'll see you soon in the next video. Peace and goodbye.